So today we are going to do word problems with fractions. All right, so if you haven't seen my previous videos, please have a look at that. So if you are familiar with me, you know that I always like making my number centers. So Henry ate half. So every time I read a word problem and I find a digit, I like writing them down straight away. I don't read the whole sentence because it gets so confusing when you have 2 steps and 3 steps to do. So it's best to get a habit of writing the numbers as you see them. Okay, Sally ate a quarter of it. Okay, so Henry ate half, Sally ate quarter. How much did they eat in total? So we know total means plus. All right, so we have half plus a quarter. So if you haven't seen my previous video, please have a look, but I'll go briefly with this. So we know that the bottom numbers are different, but we also know they're both in our 2 times table. And we know that a quarter is bigger. I'm going to change both of all of the bottom numbers to a quarter. And we got divide the bottom, which is 2 times the top, which is 2. And then we got 3/4. So altogether they had 3/4. All right, so next one we got is 3/8. Okay, and then yesterday and 1/4 today. How many laps did he swim in total? Again, we did our number sentence. Please, any word problems you have, do it in a number sentence. It just makes life so easy. And we know these are in our 4 times table. So the bigger number is 8. So we're going to choose 8. Divide the bottom is 2 times the top, which is 2. And we have 5/8. Okay, so here we have Simon bought a biscuit that weighed 1.5 kg. Okay. Anna bought a box of biscuit that weighed 1/4. How much did the 2 boxes weigh in total? Now, again, if you watch my previous video, you would know how to sort this out. So this is a proper fraction. So we got 1/2 of a half. So 1 times 2 is 2 plus 1 is 3. So we change it to improper fraction. 1/2, 1 times 4 is 4 plus 1 is 5. So we have 5/4. So the both we know are in our 2 times table, and we know that the 4 is bigger, the quarter is bigger. So we're going to change it into a quarter. And then we got divide the bottom times the top. So we've got 2 times 3 is 6. And we have 11. We have 11/4. Now we can't leave it as 11/4 because we need to change it to a proper fraction. So what we're going to do is 4 divided by 11, 11 divided by 4, sorry. Okay. Which is 2. Okay, because 2, the closest is 8. And the remainder is 3. Yeah, so 2 times 4 is 8, plus 3, 9, 10, 11. All right, so what we do is 2 wholes, and the remainder goes at the top of the quarter. All right, so to change it, so you're going to divide the bottom with the top. So we did 11 divided by 4, and we had 2 wholes, and the remainder goes in our fraction, so we have 3/4. Hope this video was useful, and let me know in the comments, and I'll see you guys till the next video. Okay, thank you, till next time.